एडवर्टाइजिंग बहुत रेयरली ऐसा होता है कि इमीडिएट इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट देता है, कभी कभी देता है। जैसे जब मैं छोटा था बहुत सारे आइसक्रीम ब्रांड्स थे, तब वॉल्स नहीं आया, वॉल्स एंडेड अप बाइंग एवरी ब्रांड। इनफैक्ट वॉल्स बॉट अप क्वालिटी, दे बॉट अप वाडीलाल, एंड द अमेजिंग एंड वेरी प्राउड थिंग to say is that Amul actually beats Walls in sales, right? So I'm very proud that Amul there is an Indian product. But Walls ने सबको खरीदते थे, they had very deep pockets, they bought their competition out. उस ज़माने में there used to be a ice cream company in Delhi, it was a very Delhi centric brand, and you'll laugh at the name now. It was called Gaylord, right? If you think of it now, given how aware most kids are, कि यार एक ice cream का नाम Gaylord था, right? मैं खानी यार. So Gaylord ice cream ने एक, you know, there's something called a cassata. So हमारे ज़माने में यार there was no Baskin Robbins, there was nothing like a gelato or amaretto or whatever you get these days. So they had a cassata and they had something called the ice cream dessert. उसका ad TV पे आया, ठीक है? उन दिनों में रामायण महाभारत टीवी पे आती थी और कुछ I used to count 57 ads आए इस बार इसके पहले, मैं कुछ क्लास 8th या 9th में था. So my dad and I are sitting and watching television, and suddenly this ad comes. Gaylord ice cream with this ice cream dessert, and both my dad and I look at each other the minute we see the ad. My dad says, "आज खाने के बाद ना इसको लेके आते हैं." Now that is advertising because it was so tempting. It was so appetizing to look at the ad कि उसी वक्त बन गया यार ये तो आज इसको consume करना है, इसको खाना है आज. Now sometimes advertising can be that quick, right? Otherwise, I'm sure all of you know, inshallah, will earn enough and you will be thinking of cars, right? Now what happens is you don't buy a car immediately. Now depending on what situation you are in your life, suppose you know you're staying with your parents, or suppose you get married early, right? You say, हाँ यार मेरे पास तो wife भी है, बच्चे भी हैं, so I need a slightly bigger car, right? I need a smaller car. Some of you might be heroes, भाई मेरे को तो zup zup वाली गाड़ी चाहिए तो मैं Swift लूँगा. Now what happens is every car advertiser creates a perception in your mind. So if you wanted a fuel efficient car कि नहीं यार मेरे को तो नोएडा से मेरा घर या मेरा ऑफिस रोहिणी में है, so I'll be traveling 50 kilometers every day, so I can't really afford a more fuel, yeah, I need a fuel efficient car, so I will go for a Nano or I'll go for an Alto or I'll go for an i10 which claims इतनी mileage देता है, or I'll go for a diesel car. So your choices are made like that, and companies create perceptions that way. For example, Maruti का जो कितना देती है, it's brilliant. Right, or that छोटू शर्ट की मैं क्या कहूँ पापा की पेट्रोल खत्म नहीं होता. You created a perception कि मारुति की गाड़ियाँ ज़्यादा पेट्रोल मतलब they're more efficient. But surprisingly, I drive a very powerful car, and उसकी माइलेज मेरी माँ की ऑल्टो की माइलेज सेम है. तो ऐसे जब आपको पेट्रोल खत्म हो जाता है मेरा चलता है, right? And I drive a car which is 3 times as powerful. So the whole deal is it's a perception. मेरी माँ believe करती नहीं बेटा ऑल्टो में पेट्रोल कम खाती है, मैं ठीक है ले लो. So perception is like you're putting that product on the top of your choice matrix. For example, आप जीन्स immediately मतलब क्या होता है जीन्स यार खरीदनी है तो आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आते हैं, but it's never an impulse purchase. Men these days even women are very conscious कि यार वो चीज़ फिट कैसे आएगी, right? But you keep creating that perception. And for women, what has happened is that now they have a hemi curve, demi curve, semi demi curve, this curve, that curve. So कि यार try all those things. You know why? Because women love choices, right? Women love choices. Men का क्या है? I will tell you later. Biology is what they're looking at. Okay? So, why are we doing the ad? Is to create a perception which obviously results in a certain action. That's the advertising objective. So the reader or the viewer is going to see the ad so that he does the second question, what? मैं आइसक्रीम का ad देखा तो I should feel like eating it. मैंने गाड़ी का ad देखा I should feel like buying it, but then considering that मेरे choice matrix में वो parameters आते हैं. मैं Rolls Royce का ad मैं भी देखता हूँ. I'd love to have it one day, but no, I can't afford it right now. Right? I'd love to have a BMW 6 Series, for example. Inshallah, one day. So, the thing is that this perception is created in my head. So, that is very, very important and you start with that. आपके पास जिंदगी में आप लोग सर्विसिंग में जाएंगे, कॉपीराइटिंग में जाएंगे. अगर आप सर्विसिंग में हैं, you have to ask your client कि आप ये एड क्या है आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू गो टू अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स, हाँ जी सर ऐसा है बना दो ऐड, हमको ये चाहिए, थोड़ी हमने नई प्रोडक्ट निकाली है बस. क्यों भाई, किसको, क्या? ये सारे सवाल आपको पूछने बहुत जरूरी है. कितना खर्च कर रहे हैं, क्यों खर्च कर रहे हैं,